Hello friends, welcome to Department of Plant Pathology, KDSP Agricultural College Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to cover diseases of turmeric and their management. In that, first is brown leaf spot, or it is also called as leaf spot or leaf blotch. There are two types of leaf spot diseases occur in this turmeric. First one is caused due to this brown leaf spot, or this causal organism is Taphrina maculans, and the second one is Colotrichum leaf spot, and causal organism is Colotrichum capsaicii. So these two pathogens were involved in this leaf spot. Now we will study in detail one by one. Brown leaf spot is a common disease found throughout in India. In many areas of the country, almost 100% plants are found infected due to this brown leaf spot, and it caused due to Taphrina maculans. Here you can see the symptoms of this brown leaf spot. This disease starts as small scattery oily looking translucent spots on lower leaves. The leaf spot pale yellow, and in latter phase it turn dirty yellow and deepen to the color of gold, and sometimes to haze shade is also developed in this infection. The adjacent leaf spot coalesce forming reddish brown blotches and shows blighted appearance. Owing to the excessive spotting and destruction of chloroplast, the functional laminal surface is considerably reduced due to this infection. In severe attack of this disease, shedding of leaflets and resulting in the premature aging of the crop happens. So this is the symptoms of this brown leaf spot. This fungus is mainly airborne, and primary infection occurs on lower leaves. The ascospore discharge from successively maturing acai into 8 spored microcolonies and infect all healthy leaves without dormancy, and secondary spread of infection is caused due to the airborne conidia or profuse sprouting of all over the spores on all over the leaves. So this is the cause of secondary infection. The most favorable conditions are like rainfall or cloudy weather or relative humidity more than 80% are favorable to the attack of this disease. The next leaf spot is Colotrichum leaf spot, and it is caused due to Colotrichum capsaicii or Colotrichum curcumi or Colotrichum gliosporide. These are all involved in this Colotrichum leaf spot. The only difference in previous leaf spot and this leaf spot is in Colotrichum there is sunken spots which are oblong brown spot and with grey center. These are the key symptoms, and these are the key factors that we can differentiate between this leaf blotch and this Colotrichum leaf spot. In Colotrichum leaf spot, the grey centers become thin and gets teared. In advanced stages of the disease attack, it shows black dots representing fungal acerulae. These are the fruiting structure produced by these Colotrichum fungi, and we have studied all these acerulae and their city and their microconidia in previous videos. You can refer all that videos. Indefinite number of spots surrounded by yellow halos. These are another character of this Colotrichum leaf spot. As the disease advances, spots enlarge and cover major portion of the leaf blade. And severe attack of this disease, consider that there is the blighted appearance. That means it shows completely blighted appearance after the severe attack. So these are all about the symptoms of this Colotrichum leaf spot. Primary source of infection is infected rhizomes with that used for planting, and secondary source of infection is some airborne conidia or water splash frames. These are key factors which are involved in this secondary transmission. So both leaf spots are common and can be controlled by spraying with some fungicides like propiconazole or Bordeaux mixture or chlorothalonil. These are some recommended fungicide that we have to apply it at regular interval. Similarly, initial inoculum should be maintained, or rhizome treatment should be done with some fungicides so that the initial inoculum can be minimized. In that way, we can control these diseases in effective manner. That's all about management of these leaf spots. Thanks for watching this video.